It's been a minute since I've been on the mic. I'm trying to stand in the light that I like to stand in when they write. But you don't even see me cause I stand too bright. You ever stand close to a light so bright your eyes gotta go like that? And then you like working your eyes and trying to get them to focus on how bright somebody is in front of you? That's how it be when you stand around me. What's going on, fam? Welcome back to the Tech Hustle Dungeon, Tech Hustle Den, Tech Hustle Spot, Tech Hustle Crew. If you about that lifestyle, holla at your boy. If you about that tech lifestyle, holla at your boy. For real. Because the tech hustle itself is not only something that reflects what I'm making in a movement. The other day I gave a shirt to a real good friend of mine. She's actually family more than friend. What up, Mel? And she was rocking a tech hustle shirt in a meeting, and she was like, yo, everybody was asking, yo, what is this tech hustle thing and why you rocking it so hard? And she said, yo, I ride for mines, that's why I rock it hard. I'm like, damn, Mel. She said, I ride for mine, that's why I'm rocking it so hard. But truly, the Tech Hustle is going on tour. We're about to travel the country, visiting places all over the world, and we're really trying to find an opportunity to impact our community directly. I'm making a stop to ATL next week. I got a talk to do for Mentor Me Collective at the Plex Summit if you're not tuned in. And while I'm there, I'm going to pull up to a few HBCUs. I might be standing outside and taking a few pictures, but they're going to know I'm there. And they're going to know my presence. I'm going to post everything because I got my crew riding with me. And they ride for me. You know what I'm saying? And don't get it confused when I'm out there, because when you see me in these streets, holla at your boy, it's BobbyD.